Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is September 23rd of 2023. We are back for yet another stream. Merton Holtz, thank you for the follow. And we've got JJMC, who has resubbed at 19 months. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again, JJMC. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, I don't really have too many plans for today's stream. I know I gotta fix some stuff. So we're gonna do that. Yeah, Dead Snakes is broken as usual, and I want to learn about pip metadata for reasons. I think there was a new metadata thing at some point, and I just haven't paid attention to it. And I'm hoping it makes everything better, but I'm also not certain. We'll take a look at that, see how that is implemented. And then maybe take a look at resolver libraries if it's straightforward enough. So, see how that goes. Zoran, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. Drop my fidget spinner. But let me say hi to everyone who's here. It looks like Beldathis was first today with banana bread nom. Yes. Drunk Time Lord's also here with the Choco emotes, which is now Choco Jam. Nice. After Choco got a partner. Easy Light is also here, as is JJMC. Hello, hello to both of you. Grandpa's iPad says hello. Hello to you as well. Roll Adrian, it's good to see you again. Hello, 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 W. Drunk Time Lord's also here. Nearhome is here. How you doing? Matthew. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. 312 is pretty close. Yeah. Oh, I should check if I've done the latest, what are they called? Release candidates. Boop. Because I remember doing one of them on my phone, but I don't remember whether that was the latest one or not. Let's see. Let's see if we're up to date. RC3. 5 days ago. I'm betting I didn't do that one. Let's see. Branches. Jammy. RC2. Fuck. Okay, well. I'm pretty sure this is gonna break, but we'll do a little prediction for this. Will the 312 RC3 build succeed? I'm trying to remember whether there was a breakage in the nightly for this build. I can't remember. I know 311 is broken. That's the one that's pinging me. But I can't remember whether 312 is also broken. But anyway, gamble your points. Armchair General's also here. Hello, hello. Snipe Bunny's also here. Chat can set the message of the day in the chat bot. It can be retrieved with MOTD. It's true. Wait, I feel like that's what it says in the ReamD. Marsma's also here. It's been a bit. Good to see you again. Yeah, I'm gonna start the build because it takes a while to even get started, so run workflow 3.12.0 RC3. How's the predictions going so far? Oh, we're about 50-50 split. Nurm's got a bunch on yes. Buster Casey's got a bunch on no. Wasn't Buster Casey a pitcher? Buster Casey. Hey. No. The character in a novel. Who the fuck am I thinking of? Drugs. 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 Okay, predictions are in. We'll see how this goes. I don't think it's gonna succeed, but I didn't want to spoil the vote. So let that go. Yeah, but the release candidate is pretty close. So if you're gonna, you haven't tested your 7 through 12, I guess do it already. Sean the Sheep, welcome back. Says Anthony, can I improve my coding and also pass my exam by throwing my laptop out the window? I feel like you asked me this last stream, and I recommended against it. Yeah, you did ask this last stream. Anthony, will throwing my laptop out the window help with my studies? I don't think it will. Pseudo says, Anthony, you're writing some code today. Maybe. We'll see. You did ask last time, yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, you know what? We haven't heard the drop song in a while. Let me find it. You're right, we haven't heard it in a while. I think it's because I've scrolled too far down in the playlist and it's sort of near the top. What the fuck is it called? Is it this song? Is this the drop song? I feel like this might be it. I don't know, it's been so long. You're right. Is it this one? Is this it? It's this one. Okay, anyway, here's the drop song. It's because I scroll and then I click. And it's not super random, and I just sometimes I most of the time scroll too far. But here we go. Here's the drop song. Zando, welcome, welcome. Christopher GS says, been a while. Good to be back. It has been a while. I don't recognize your name. Have you changed your name? It's been, oh my god, it's been since 2022. You have exactly 8 messages in chat. You've been subbed this whole time? I am thoroughly impressed, Christopher. Welcome back. How you doing? Yeah, it is the song. It's called Wish You Never Left. There's the drop song. There you go. Anyway, yeah, so let's look at 311. It's just the nightly that's broken. But that means the next release is gonna be broken. I think what you do is awesome. Wasn't going to unsub. Hey, appreciate that. Jurapo Songu, yeah. Sito says, I just recently found the power of adding good first issue and help wanted labels on good issues. It's so helpful for the small things you don't want to do. Yeah, but sometimes they become big things that you also don't want to do. Like this ended up being way more work than it was supposed to be. This is really fucking hard to do, but I don't know. I should just add it to all of them because I don't know that I'm gonna get to them, but maybe we'll do some pyupgrade today. Anyway, this is failing. This is what we're gonna try and fix. This is unrelated to this. But maybe the same failure mode. And it has only been pinging me for 2 days, so it shouldn't be too bad to fix. Hopefully. Hello? Yay, GitHub! Oh, it's this and module 2 thing. We fixed this already somewhere. Where did we fix this? Pie up dog? Yeah, it does suck when they open a PR and it's all wrong. That seems a little less worth it. Yeah. 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 Because then you have to spend way more time fixing whatever they fucked up. Which is a little too pessimistic, but you know what I mean. Do 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 do. Did we fix it here? I don't know why I've cloned this to just the main branch. That doesn't seem right. Walker Codes, hello, hello. How you doing? I was looking for good first issue, thinking making contribution. Yeah. Do you just fix it or do you try to work with them through fixing it themselves? I usually find it's better to work through it even though it can be exhausting. Just because it's better that way. See, that's weird. I don't see the and change here. Was it in 313? And it just never landed in 312? See, that's really weird. That means it didn't get backported to 312? I find that hard to believe. But it got backported to 311, which is very weird. Web. It's done. Oh, actually, it's already. Lib test. What? Lib test. Yeah, what the fuck? They're still here. What? I'm so confused. What the fuck? Holy shit, so much stuff happened 2 days ago. Yeah, okay. So this got backported. From here. But it didn't get backported to 312? Yeah, it just hasn't gotten merged in 312 yet. So it got clean merged into 311, but not 312? What's the holdup? Merging is blocked. Oh. It needs the release manager to merge it because it's so close to release. That's funny. Anyway. Zando's web says, you pianino man. I write too fast. Well, yeah, I've been keyboarding for a while. Lana says, wait a minute, do you still get education discounts with the Umish email address? I could. I don't really take advantage of them. What percentage of good first PR folks learn the ropes and convert to regular contributors, do you think? If we ignore the month of October... I would say a decent percentage if you ignore the month of October. But including October, a lot. A lot of them. Not enough though. I don't know. I feel like it's pretty unlikely that someone converts to be a regular contributor. Oh yeah, by the way, we're doing more Sword and Shield resetting. That's what this is. This hunt has done 2,253 resets, and this is the distribution of Pokemon that it has seen. Wow, this is the one I'm trying to get. Wow. Discount Dennis says what happens in October? Hacktoberfest. Did I say hi to Prisoner? If not, welcome, welcome. Yeah. Fun little command here. Anyway, Dead Snakes, Python 3.11 nightly. Just deleted this. Get add the shoe. Don't include an module in Stynolib. We can just dash n dash m, yeah. Oh look, Python is using rough pre-commit now. What are they using it for? Just in the tests. That's not needed. Unless rough is doing very stupid things. Are they running git add? That would be not great. Just because I'm curious. Hopefully they're not running git add. What I think of Ref, I don't really like talking about it because, while I think the project is cool, they have ripped off a lot of my hard work and not contributed back, and not really happy about that, but there's not really too much I can do. There's not really anything I can do about that. I have to find a more significant file, I guess. Sure. Do they just have it configured to not do anything? Why does it not see this as an unused import? Hello? Well, that's certainly a choice. How do I get it to actually reformat something or report an error? I thought it had more rules implemented than that. Yeah. No. How do I how do I get it to fucking report an error? Anyway, I feel like it's not working. Is this just a really fucking old version? No? Does this linter just suck? What the fuck is going on? Yeah. Was the change spam to never read me something like this project? Or like I love this project? Yeah. Yeah, that ruined it for everyone. I don't know why this isn't working. What is the default set of arguments for this thing? Have they overridden it to do nothing? Is that what's going on? Oh my, why do they have all this shit? They don't need most of this. They copy pasted this. Are they using the mirror maker? Oh, maybe they are. Oh. This is what they're running. And then they're running it with formatter arguments. They're gonna fight the automation repeatedly? They don't know how this works. uh... Yeah. Oh, they've replaced it with mirror.py. Interesting. Well, clearly doesn't work, so. Not my fucking problem though. Okay, so 311 should be fixed now. Oh, we should see if this one succeeds before I resolve this thing. This container says, don't quite understand what I'm seeing here, but it definitely looks a bit whack. Yeah, I don't... It's not important. Julio, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Jaholo's also here. Fuckle succeeded. That'll be good enough. Prediction. Here's outcome. Yes, somehow. Surprisingly. I'm surprised this passed. But we get to do another one. Prediction. Will the 311 nightly succeed? Yes, no, and we'll give you a minute on that one as well. I think this one will. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't. Stay up here. Run all yobs. Balada says, don't feel like cooking any pescatarian-friendly dishes to order. I'm a fan of Indian food. I feel like Indian food is usually a very consistent one. Doubter Gang? Yeah. Alright, I'll let that one run. We're gonna assume that one has succeeded, because the part where it got stuck before has succeeded. I guess I could look at the commit that added it here. Oh, there's a little config file. They're only checking one. They're only checking one. They're only checking one error code. And they have weird encodings that are failing, or stuff that's not parsing, which is fun. And then these ones are just actually broken. Very cool. Mohammed says, why is your nano so cool? Because it's not actually nano. It just used to be nano. Not anymore. Anyway, that should fix dead snakes. I'm probably gonna just take over Max's patch here. Looks like he's busy, and I caused a conflict in it. So we're gonna good code change like a ghost. If error not in, no defined error codes pass. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Patch probably timeout errors. Yeah. I don't even. I was gonna say something. Oh, fuck it, we'll say it. I don't know why I'm bothering to work on this, because it's just gonna get ripped off and deprecated, and yeah, why would anyone use pyupgrade when there's other things to use? Oh, wait, temp. Okay, so this is the old code, and I added OS here. So gotta do the same thing down below, but I have to figure out how Max's stuff works. I think it's this. There's a test for it? Oh wait, no, there isn't a test for it because the tests are magic. Kind of bad. Yeah, Ghost and Speechless are the same. It's really not fit on online. Oh, it totally does. Barely. But we're gonna get rid of this entirely. Because we're gonna combine everything into one. But that is out. Grab his iPad. Thank you for the 5 gifted subs. Appreciate that. Welcome to subs in Bluvian, XX Pyro, Snipe Bunny, MDM Dev, and Siki. There's some buttons for you. Let me just check the case that was happening before. Cool. So it is still working. Get the rebase continue. So then I'll just rebase it, and then we gotta do the things that I gotta do, that I want to do. But it's easier to read the code here, probably, maybe. And I think the OS error aliases, we'll just take this and move it in the other file, as well as this. Oh, I see how this works. Yeah, we'll combine those there. Okay. I replaced this because it Get masterclass when I'd pay good money for that. Yeah. I mean, I've thought about doing it. The hard part about classes is it takes a long time to get something. Well, the first part is recording just a class on its own is very unlikely to be good by itself. The first time it's recorded or put together, it's like I felt like when I taught at university, the first semester I did, I was not a good teacher. But I got better over time. And I feel like something as broad as Git would take me a long time to get it to where it needs to be. You know what I mean? Were I helping us? Yeah, I was helping with 183 at English. This is like n squared here, but the n's pretty small, so it hopefully shouldn't matter. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna change what this is doing. Maybe this goes first. That seems the most. It's gonna make these line up better. Yeah. It's gonna get dangerously close to the edge there. Ooh, exactly 80 characters. Yeah. Do 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 do. Maybe adder is a better name for that. So then we can do this, this, and this. I gotta do this as well. Don't think this is a good idea. It should figure this out up front. So we'll have to refactor that too. Yeah, state should really be only used in the callbacks. So that should make that work. Oh, the Git class is not useful if you're not working on some project. That's kind of true. I heard of biryani. Hopefully I don't die from the spices. I hope so too. Randy too, welcome to the stream. Hello. 95% of times, get add dash u, get commit dash m, get push origin head. Yeah, that's most of what you need. I think we're gonna call this. Oh, maybe name is fine because of these ones. Argument 1 has incompatible type. State raise. What are these supposed to be? State node. Oh, node and parent. It's just unused. And then alias CBS. Yeah, this one is fine. We gotta fix that function too. This goes away. The weird function. Oh. Ah. Fixing this from the bottom up means rewriting the whole thing. Ah. Just fine, I guess. Archer says, is it best practice to have double indent? There's no such thing as best practice, it's just whatever somebody decides to do. So what actually needs to happen is a loop over all of the possible targets here, and it needs to return the target that matched. Rather than doing this loop a bunch of times. Text message says 2 spaces. Sarcastic Dante says tabs and 11 spaces. Yep. That is the answer. That is the only answer. Okay, so probably what needs to happen here is matching version equals let's target. What needs to happen here is I'm just gonna move. I'll keep those at the top. Oh, that's one character too long. So we're gonna need to do this for both of them. Fibonacci indent? Yeah. Oramus, hello, hello. Batcar K, how you doing? Cuter one says, bro using Vim XXDD. Nope, no Vim here. I like how everyone who just assumes you're using a text editor quickly in a terminal is like, oh, nope, that's Vim. Oop, I found the Vim. It's Vim. Do, 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 do. Thing? This really should be not named that. How can I prove it's not Vim? I had the same reaction when I started sharing a turtle in the interview. Hey, there you go. I mean... Oh, fuck, it's Vim! Oh, shit, it's Vim! You got me! I can control Q! It's Vim! Shit. He quit without sacrificing a child? Yeah. I could also sacrifice a child to quit, though. How you like them apples? Okay, if it's a name and node.id equals target.name, and target.module is none. If the target module is none and it is a name and the ID is equal to our target, then that we also should not. Oh, we will need state for this. We can do that. Otherwise, if target.module is not none, and it's a name, and node.id is equal to target.name, and node.id in state.from imports target.module. We have a module. This is a name, the name matches, and the name is in the from imports. Okay, otherwise, target.module is not none, and it's an attribute, it's a name attribute, and node.adder is equal to target.name, and node.value.id is equal to target.module. Then it returns this. Set today, merging the exception, rewrite for pyupgrade, timeout error aliases. And we'll give you a link. Here we go. You can probably just do target equals target. Oh wait, replace name, that's something else. Yeah. Uh, it's fine. Okay. This is min version? Oh, not that one. Is the attribute? Settings.min version. There we go. Warden Monarch, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Standard Robot's also here. How you doing? Target has no attribute version. Ah. Might as well write it out then. Bloop, 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 bloop. Yeah, we'll get to you in a second. Oh, have I fixed this one already? Yeah, we have. Where does it do the deduping? Or did we never implement that? We might have never implemented that. Yeah. Oh, here it is. I see. Got it. Okay. Oh, you're unused, yeah, sure. Um, yeah, how does this possibly pass? Look at we write, yeah. Oh, missing positional argument in this. Yeah, so this passes linting now. This I don't really like, because we should know exactly what we're rewriting before we start rewriting it. Maybe it's better that way? This file left blank. No, we don't need that. This is way too much logic for a test. Jackie Special, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Biryani is not that spicy. Oh, that's good. If you don't have a spice tolerance. Oh, this is a test plate. Oh, fuck. Oh, how am I gonna do this? There's a lot of tests here, but they don't test much, is the problem. They're all testing the same thing over and over, which isn't that useful. Booby the Vox, hello, hello, how you doing? So I think I'm gonna just kill most of these tests. Yeah. Um. Booby Fox says, not too good, just scrolling, getting myself together, but thank you. Oh. I'm sorry to hear that. I feel like I had not the best week either, but that's just the way things go, I guess. This probably needs S and version. What are the timeout aliases? 310. So if we did raise socket.timeout in 3.9, should not do anything. Did raise async IO dot timeout error. And 310. Also do nothing. We also need the try accept form. You know what? We'll do this so that they're nice names. Sure. And then we need to do the try accept version of them. Actually, I think this is valid syntax. Let's do this. Cool keyboard. Yeah, it's it works. It's good. So I can group these together. Hello, Dev. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. No downs. There are no ups. True. True. Other question, what's your comfortable word spin? Have you trained specifically for word spin or just quite overused? Did the split keyword help you in that, or is it just comfy? Some of that is answered in here. I can kind of comfortably type it. Well, I'm limited in my typing speed by my reading speed. I don't know how to read. If I'm just typing like things that I know, I can type much faster, but usually like my reading regurgitating is somewhere around 120 to 130, and I'm slower on this keyboard. But that video goes into more details. If you're curious. Incorrect number of values. Oh. Indeed. Okay. Those are kind of working. I wonder what the other no-ups were. I think it's more useful to have these not formatted, because it's really hard to understand what the fuck's going on otherwise. Maybe these are the version specific ones. Yeah, I'll do that. And these will be easier to write. Test. And we'll use the actual PyTest IDs here. Except ass. Unrelated exception type. As name. Tuple. This is kind of a useless test, but already rewritten. Hello. With flavors. Oh, topping. How sweet is a French toast? Oh fuck, I didn't add any sugar? Did you forget ingredients? I'll just take some blueberry jams then. French? Yeah, fake French. It's French toast. Are there tools that can help you improve your reading words per minute? Yeah, probably, but it's fast enough and I don't really care, so I'm probably not gonna do it, but yeah, I know such tools exist. Already rewritten tuple. Yeah, should get added too. Relative import. Same name, but hello, French toast? Yeah, French toast is great. Hello. The blueberry jam is turned into bananas. I... you. Surprise! Look at this French toast. It looks so good. Except it doesn't have sugar in it. No. No. Yum. One sec. Let me finish this one. And then we'll be done with the no ups. Try. Except OS not error. Do 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 do. Okay. Cool. Cool. That was passing. I think I'm just gonna eat all the bananas first because they're delicious. Oh, you didn't see what I did. Anyway, I just wrote the last test. Oh, it's so fluffy. Gonna be really good. And blueberry jam as well, with the tiniest little spoon. Yeah. So sorry, we're taking a little eating break because I didn't have breakfast. David Pratt's also here. Hello, hello. Is there anything inside? No, it's essentially egg bread that you fry up, and usually you have sugar in the batter, so it's sweet, but it tastes good anyway. But yeah, it's pretty good. We got this bread this morning at the farmer's market, which is why we were late. Because there was a bunch of traffic, and we had to take a weird way back. And we got sandpaper too for Tina's pottery, which she's real good at. It's called Arme Ritter, Poor Night in Germany. On Ritter. Interesting. Interesting. I didn't know. But yeah, it's French toast in the U.S., which I wonder what it is. I wonder what it is in France. Not food in France. Lost bread in France. Oh, interesting. I hope they find it. Or golden bread. I have heard golden bread before. I have heard golden bread. I've heard golden bread in the US too. So that makes sense. Do. Okay, yeah, this will be another one that we add. But we don't need every fucking module here. So yeah, we'll be able to just write one simple test for the entire set of cases. Ooh, the box says, I like putting 2 pieces of bread with a slice of butter on top of it, on a pan, butter down, put cheese on one of them. After a minute, I can put one on the other and get a perfectly crisp goodie with melted cheese inside. Yeah. We call it sounds like grilled cheese. That's what we call it here. There's apparently like a fancy machine for it. And people call it a toasty? Question mark? Yeah, we call it grilled cheese in the US. Very easy, simple meal. If you want to get real fancy with your grilled cheese, sprinkle a little bit of the cheese in the pan. You get kind of like a crispy, crunchy cheese on the outside and a melty cheese on the inside. That's my jam. Or you can put like a tiny bit of mayo inside the grilled cheese, or hot sauce. I like hot sauce. I thought the Sim 2 grilled cheese was just a meme. I actually don't know what the meme is. It's not a thing in Russia. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Grilled cheese equals sandwich in Germany? Are all sandwiches grilled cheese? Oh, this one's the butt. Yum. I'm eating butt, chat. It's bread. The bread of the butt. The butt of the bread. That's why it's harder to partition. Wait, let's write this one. Oh, this is an interesting one. Turn error. Hot sandwich, a cheese witch. We put salami or ham in with the cheese. That's a little bit different. I feel like that's different. It's no longer grilled cheese. There's now grilled cheese with other stuff. It's just grilled sandwich at that point. Even called a sandwich maker, there's no German word for it. Oh, the borrowed word. That's kind of cool. Kind of like in Spanish, skateboard is just el skateboard. Which sounds like a terrible joke, but no, it's the thing. Skateboard is also the German word for skateboard. Nice. But yeah, you have to say it with like more vigor though, right? Because it's German. Skateboard, not skateboard, right? Terrible. That's a bad joke. Almost done with my food, and then we'll be back to coding. Although I noticed my viewer count went up as soon as I started eating, so maybe I should just eat on stream. Group Hueva says skateboard in Spanish is monopatin. Well, it's changed since I learned Spanish. Because my mid-90s textbook that we learned out of was, I did not have a word for it yet. It was just skateboard. I feel like skateboards, skateboards weren't popularized until much longer after that. Started in the 50s, but those were more like longboards. Whereas like these are what I would say is skateboards. Yeah, blah blah blah. I feel like this is a different word than the original early 50s skateboards, which were longboards. Sidewalk surfing, yeah. Well, I'm probably not gonna be able to find the right history for it, but we also use kindergarten in English. It's true. That's true. Surfboards with wheels, yeah, essentially. Here's the German pronunciation. Anyway. It's like worse longboards? Yeah. Yeah, essentially. 2 times over. This is a funny test. Raise the roof. Oh, fucking A. This is the line with the error. I forgot a comma. I forgot a comma here too. Okay, sweet. So then we have to do the actual rewrites. Test fix exceptions. As expected. We're putting a T at the end, even if there's only a D. Ah. Skateboard. It's funny. Yeah, there's a lot of tests here that I feel like are not super needed. Okay. Let's look at our list of exceptions. Raise. We're just gonna do one for each of them. OS error, select error, socket error, IO error, environment error, Windows error. Select error. Socket.error. IO error. Environment error. Windows. Like, these tests are a lot easier to understand what is actually happening. Test fix exceptions versions. be 310. This needs to be 311. Sweet. I need to look more at pytest.param. I think I've got it in a video. Let's see what video it's in. It is in 27. Yeah. So episode 27 would be the one. Okay, cool. So that gets all the version specific stuff, and now I just need the tests that are the particular cases. Just like the from import. The from import, we've done dotted. This isn't useful. Coverage. Oh, let's do the raise ones first, just because those are easier to test. Oh, maybe no parens is useful. Yeah, commas. Okay, none of the rest of that is useful. Kill these two tests. Okay. The try except ones are the more complicated cases. This. Those already. We did those. Why is there a new line in the ID? Oops. Okay, so let's do except of just the name. Except of dotted name. Except of name. Datadev, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Oh, I put the new lines here too. I feel like this is less complicated. Should go. Zombie Chow, hello, hello. How you doing? This is with other names and deduplication. Deduplicates. Exception types. Deduplicates and removes tuple if all. Deduplicates to a single type. Oh, without a space there? White shite space. Oops. Space here. What was this supposed to be before? Old Air 1. Oh, I see. Uh... Uh... indeed. I made the same mistake here. Yep. DLM Phantom, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Wraith Within, hello, hello. Been a bit. Good to see you again. Stonkfish is also here. How you doing, Stonkfish? Same thing here. Probably also the same one here. Cool. Why do I keep making this same mistake? Oh, this one is different. Mistake. Fix except missing one required keyword argument. Yeah, that's weird that, that is weird that the type checker wouldn't catch this. But the partial support is pretty bad. Okay. Gruff says show your mouse. My mouse is garbage. Gonna likely ban Evader in the chat too. Suspicious user. Twitch thinks that you're a ban Evader. That's funny. Well, not a fan of fancy mouses. I don't find them that useful. Okay. Yeah, so rewritten name is not quite correct. Should really be collecting the targets and then rewriting them that way. War Brower, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What's your age? Where do you work? I have an FAQ playlist if you would like to scroll through that, or you can try this if you want to know my job. But for my age, you gotta guess it first, and then I will tell you. Don't like that. Do it here. Or handler and handlers. 30. You're pretty close. You're pretty close. I'm 32, 33, 32. I didn't do the math. Epic Session says 40. Rude. Fuck out of here. Yeah, this should really be like a mapping from couple positioned and target, so we don't recompute this over and over and over. So let's see. How do we do that? Here's almost 40, yeah. It's true. So for alt in handler.type.eld. If You know what? Is there a reason that this should just be target or none? Yeah. Oh. Bawada says, hello, how was the week? It was okay. Okay. Fantastic, I hardly did any work. I never do any work, but it was even less than normal this week. Nice. And then you're going on vacation. Nice. That's pretty good. Okay. So I'm online now. Looking like it. Nope, does not. For Arc and Arcsters. Oh god. What do these look like? Okay. Oh, why does it still have the offset there? Oh, because I didn't kill it. I just changed the function signature. Hmm. Miru baby, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. A Knights to Mate You is also followed. Welcome to the stream. Target. 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 Is it Bubuntu? No, it's Ubuntu? Yeah. True. Kier Pointer, thank you for the follow. Also, welcome to the stream. And Eisendiska and E Zigflots. Is this a bot? 5 of you in a row, 6 of you in a row. Anyway, either way, welcome, welcome. Appreciate you stopping by. Ubuntu. Yeah, yep. That's the one. That is the one. Okay. Now what we can do, left, part, right. We don't need to do any of this logic anymore. We can just say arg in enumerate argsters. Pelvada has reset with Prime with Thunk at 14 months. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for your continued support. Daniel Bilo says, just arrived, what are you doing? And then the bot told you. The bot knows what's up. If I in at IDX, then guess if target is not none, args not append, target dot target. Otherwise, args dot append. Arg. Way simpler. Way simpler. AST dotset has incompatible type AST. Expected something else. Expected probably expert. Expert or statement. Can I do this? Yes. But how? That shouldn't pass. Because this requires... Oh wait, this requires less specific. Got it. No, that's fine. PSI Fisher, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Off to a friend's house? Says Niram. Well, thank you for stopping by. Eisendiska says, what's the best book to master Python? I don't know how to read. Sorry. Daniel Bilo, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Alright, let's see the test pass. Pleasantly surprised. Inside the function body, why don't you use the type annotation? Because the type checker can inference it for you, so you're wasting your time if you are type annotating local variables. The type checker is going to know that this function always returns this, and so there's no reason to copy this to this variable here. The only time that I annotate local variables is if the type checker cannot inference it properly. And it will tell me that it can't inference it properly. It'll say, you know, needs annotation, blah, 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 blah. We need to write a test so it rewrites both names. Test can rewrite disparate names. Oh, forgot a colon. Sick. We're missing some stuff here. 137. If node dot exception is not none, oh, we're missing empty rays. We have blank except but not empty rays. Don't you pause on me, music? Fucking sick. Cool. I guess I should have run the full test. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Wait. Alright, this is just dead now. Now the stat should be better. Yeah, that's what I was expecting. I guess I should run the full test suite. Oh, I deleted a bunch of tests because of that, so now we're under 1,000 tests again. But maintain the same coverage, so working as intended. Alright, let's review this diff locally first before we push. Async IO. Then we changed up the exception. Oh, interesting. This will also dedupe unrelated type names. If you have except TT, it will fix those, but only if the OS error gets rewritten in there. Which is kind of interesting. It should maybe just do that for all of them. I would also like to reuse that for his instance. Maybe, yeah, I have an idea. Could be cool. Okay, anyway. Good code changed like a ghost. What happens if you do class C object object? What does this do? Error. Okay. I'm surprised this one doesn't get rewritten. Maybe it's because replace name doesn't do it. Oh look, this passed. Hooray, we can resolve our prediction. Will the 311 nightly succeed? Holy shit, JJMC put a ton on yes. Grandpa's iPad put a ton on no. Oh, no. It did succeed. Someone's getting a bunch of points there. Okay, anyway. I wrote things a bit. I was doing a bunch of repeated work and didn't work for multiple names being rewritten at once. I also removed all the formatting and magic from the test suite. Harder to understand what was actually being tested. King City is here. Bonjour, bonjour. Hello, hello. Got 1.6k while putting in 1k. Nice. Nice. HRU, how are you? How are you? Is that an HRU? I'm doing alright. A long week. But it's Saturday, so the long week is over, right? Yeah. Straight stonk, says Stonkfish. Indeed, indeed. Okay. The other one that I am inspired to work on is this one. Yes. It just says doing it good enough, I guess. I wonder. Probably just useful to do for normal names. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, did the README get updated for that? Did not. It did not. So I can just copy the same thing up here. Ah, shit, that's not what I wanted. There we go. Songfish says, finally came out of denial and got glasses. It's amazing how clear terminals are now. I know. Oh no. Oh no. Timeout error. I almost want to combine these two. But I'm gonna leave them alone for now. Document timeout error rewrites. Sea Dog NW, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Do I not have auto merge for this? Oh, probably because I don't have collectors. What the fuck could have actions? Oh my god, is it a day ending in Y? Unreported. Oh, this is new. Where's the fucking rest of the shit? Hello? Where is my extension broken? It might just be my extension is broken. Yeah. I did update this recently. Old version? How do I check for updates? Do this? Save? Why is it not updated? Wanna watch? Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. The fuck? How do I make it update? It's so easy in Firefox. You just click a fucking button. Sable, fuck off. I don't need a Clippy. Why is there a Clippy? Check for updates. Oh, hey, there we go. But now I don't know whether it fixed it or not. We'll see it for the next patch. Did this get closed? It did not. Did this get closed? Did not. Oh. Why didn't we do this one? 85 handles everything except for Concurrent.futures.timeout error for some fucking reason. Oh, I know why. Maybe we'll do that as well. Son of a bitch. What should we do first, chat? Should we do concurrent futures timeout error? Or should we do or should we do or should we do deduplicating names in except and is instance and is subclass? Constant folding exception or types. Leave it up to you. Bounce Ball, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I did also want to look at this. How does this work? Save the arcsters and remove the block. This should probably end up down here. I think this makes more sense. I probably should have reviewed this. Honestly. Yeah. The tricky thing here is it can rewrite white space in a way that might not be good. Maybe that's okay. Yeah. And this will test our user script. Okay, no one has told me what I should work on, so I'm going to work on the deduplication. Or no, we're gonna time error since we're like 2/3 of the way done. Last one. A slight improvement to accept. I do need to fill my water though. That is a good point, Belnauth. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Let me open up this pull request and see if my user script is still broken. And then maybe we'll fix the user script if it's still broken. Okay, this is normal. This is just normal. Okay, working. Sweet. All right, I will be right back. Scotchy, also thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I will see you in a sec while I fill my water. All right, I'm back, and Born Unique has just followed. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. So I thought about this a little bit while I was filling up my water, and the imports are actually going to be kind of tricky because this is one of the few modules in Python where it is dotted, and we have to do special things for it. Because we can have all of these. We can have raise concurrent dot futures dot timeout. We could have raise futures dot timeout, and we could have raise timeout. We can handle all three of those. We don't have good mechanisms for that at the moment. I almost need to like track imports better. And I put it off for so long because I have not needed this anywhere else. Time. Dionysus Redbeard. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, what do? You know what? Fuck this. We're not gonna work on this now. We're gonna work on the deduplication because I actually have an idea of how to do that one. All right. What's your opinion about when people change the behavior of a library function drastically in a patch release? Well, probably aren't doing versioning correctly. Trying to import feels like it's a pretty difficult task using AST. It's not that hard. I just haven't done anything for it. Constant fold types. All right. We need to register state token func. Do this, and then we'll remove the stuff that doesn't needed. Register. We need a call for is instance. State. We need to register or accept. Yeah, need those later. So I'm gonna bring the pip metadata maybe at some point. Depends how quickly we get through this. Let's write some tests. Test features constant full test. Test constant fold no up. We have 2 cases here. Oh, wait, there's a whole bunch of these. Oh, it's just his instance in his subclass. Okay, that should be working. The 3 cases. Accept. Okay. And then do some more interesting ones like that. Venus Spetty grew. Says, I'm worried your keyboard is gonna blow up in flames the way you're typing Jesus. I'm typing Jesus? How did you know? Cool. It is not working yet, which is exactly what we've intended. Let's steal the code from this thing. Sort of. Maybe we just rewrite the args for this one. And then we'll call this one. Yeah, that could work. I'm gonna ignore this for now. I'm just gonna handle this one. And then we'll figure out how to join the code. Okay, so we need to check if it is his instance. if node.func node.func.id in is instance is subclass. Jetron, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Node.args. And not as star args. Node. Get push, get paid. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. It's a good name. Oops. And is instance. Node.args1 tuple. Can you do his instance with a list? Well, you can also nested fucker. We're just gonna ignore those cases. Is instance one int. No, it has to be a tuple. Cannot be a list. But it can be this. Lamau? Yeah. Oh. Can also be union. Can also have int or int. I don't know why anyone would ever write that. But it could be that as well. We're just not gonna handle that. That can be a future improvement. I'm going to make this work for tuple case. The union case is a little more good. Not wanted. Okay. James Boyan, hello, hello. Doing well. Doing well. And can constant fold node.args1. Then build st2 offset the tuple, which this, and then fix constant fold. I don't think we actually need to pass along any information here. Okay, and we can do the same thing here. For handler in node.handlers if is instance handler.type tuple and constant fold handler.type Then yield AST offset node.args or handler.type folds. Then we have I don't remember what the order of these arguments is. Is the opposite. Start with that. Convergent sequence says, what code editor is that? Ah, that is a new one. The bot doesn't know about that. You would have just said, what editor is that? Because it is not just a code editor. But we can add that to the smarts. We have editor. But we don't have code editor. Code editor. What code editor is that? Question mark. There we go. Start. Now, if you would have asked your question, convergent sequence, what code editor is that? Ta-da! Rage credit syntax editing. Yeah, I should have done that instead of the fuckery I did. Damn, what a mess. What a goddamn mess that was. What a goddamn mess that was. Yeah. He wiggles a piece of magnet, yeah. Okay, can constant fold. We need to iterate over the elements and figure out if they're the same. I think we'll probably only support dotted names. Yeah. So we'll just ignore anything weird. Yeah, I would probably have used tree sitter if I had started my editor about 6 months later. The one problem with tree sitter is it doesn't have as many grammars and it's harder to add a custom grammar. But it is certainly better supported. Well, it has more velocity than X18, like VS Code. Andrews Vu, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, I think we can do this with scene is a set and count equals 0 for L in node.else. Sugmeg99, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. And Convergent Sequence. And Kaspari. Welcome, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Who name? Food. Sure or none? If is instance no. AST.name. Return node.id. Elif is instance attribute. I don't even need a count, do I? If name is not none and name in if name is not none, name in scene return true. Otherwise, scene dot add name. It ignores nuns. Like that. Why is why is it off by one? Oh, because of code formatter? Oh, code formatter. I thought the sound was Anthony cracking his knuckles right in the microphone? No, it was probably this. Yeah, I think this is right. And add a folds dotted names. Can you even do that? I think you can, yeah. It's just an expression. Only consider names and dotted names. Okay, we are looking at position 5, which is the open parenthesis. Cool. Sounds like my back when I wake up in the morning. Why did this get re-indented? I didn't do that. Weird. So we need to do the same trick as this. Why does it go backwards? Oh, because of this case here. Oh. Handle that as I don't think this needs to happen. Yeah, we can just do this. Right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, oops. I think we don't actually have to do all of this. This can be moved into here. So we can just say for I target in at idx.items. We don't even need argsters. Oh, we need to do reversed. I think that's available in 3.8. First. Yep. Linux Live. Oh, that was 3.10. So. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. 3.8? Fuck yeah, let's go. I target in reversed. Func args I. I think this is a slice. Token slice star equals token name target dot target. And then we can do we can move this into a helper. Those comments. And then we will need this. El Tuco and Asgard, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Has it been years? It's been ages since you worked on pyupgrade. It's been a while. Yeah. I have lost a lot of motivation to work on linters and code formatters for reasons. Hanzi, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. That's it, full tuple. If len args is equal to len argsters return. Okay, it did not need the constant fold there. Well, you probably just leave that out. Just let it do it. Libre Cybernetics, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Marsha's here, who says Venus. After all, you Bill, I think most people have been burnt out by this point. I mean, I'm not burnt out from doing the work. I'm burnt out because I'm burnt out on working on it because what the fuck is the point if it's just gonna get ripped off? Haha. This can be done better without killing all the tokens inside, but you missed something big. I'm pretty sure you've asked about this particular thing in chat, James Boyan. Here, let's see if I'm right, because I don't really want to talk about it. Oh, you haven't asked about it somehow. You did, but I guess not. Well, I don't really want to talk about it, so. Thanks to welcome, yeah, no problem. No problem. Be important. Be important too. Okay, those are working, which gives me confidence that these are working. I forgot to rename it. Gateka, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Zabasterla says, what are you making? What are you working on? Really, we had two of them in one stream. So what are... Wait, it should be right here. Oh, you spelled the word R incorrectly. You're so close. What are you making? There we go. Yeah. Just can't spell. How do you misspell R? Yeah, it's one fucking letter. Fuck yeah. First try, every time. It's kind of cool. Yeah. I feel like there's another one where this happened. Hmm. Yeah, this looks suspiciously similar to this here. Plus this. So could probably add this in there too. Is type check. Oh, but then we don't get the nice little guard here, do we? Yeah, because it won't know that this is a double. Oh, but this is the only part that's relevant. Is it? This part. Oh, but this is always going to be indexable. I think this is a part. Read that it had AST or none before. Just Darkly, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I lazy type C typo, but enters closer. Yeah, it's true. Is type check node? Who is type? I should have just run talks. Line 22 is uncovered. Yeah, I thought so. Why? I thought that would be covered by this. Oh. Yeah, it would be if this weren't a syntax error. Are you making a text editor? I've made a text editor. Okay, I should stop guessing and try and fix this one. Gee, Dallas, but I thought you weren't coming today. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you. That's not what I want. I want breakpoint. This online 17. Oh, it's a call. Never even gets that far. You could be an attribute of a call. I did a call of an attribute. Yeah. Yeah. I spent too many minutes going through the basics of development at work with interns. I'm exhausted. Yeah, wait, why is it? What are you doing on a Saturday? Oh, because they're not local. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. Cool. This feature seems like it works. They're in California, I'm not. Oh, okay. I guess that sort of makes sense. It's only 2 or 3 hours different. But yeah, depends on what your working hours are. This looks suspiciously similar to this. This could be none. Then I don't need this either. This can be here. Maybe that function's still useful. I think MyPy should yell at me on this line. AST has no attribute else. This is... Let's just say or none. Do. Yeah. Cool. I was interrupted by smoke detector. Oh no. This 2 to 3 hours of my bedtime? Yeah. Yeah, makes sense. The best place to find coders who want to join a game project? I have no idea. No idea. Seems. Kilo Kitty, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. It's still happy. Is not. Oh no. Oh. Here we go. Next. Almost refactored it up there. Ray Jameson, hello, hello. How you doing? Okay. Seems decent. Okay, I want to make sure this function actually gets covered. It's from line 473 to 487. This line is missing. 483. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. Try. Eat this chair. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Ah, the bot got you there, Ray Jameson. Is where this is going to kill my power before the meeting. What we got here? Oh, that is quite the photo. Damn. Nice thunderstorm. Lunatic says, are you always using Nano instead of an actual code editor? Fuck out of here. Pretentious bullshit. One Nomad, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. ID equals deduplication to 1. Not cause syntax error with except. The same problem exists for tuple for his instance as well, but it's inside of a call, so it shouldn't matter, but it will add the white space. It's okay. Yeah, so that one line that was uncovered before should now be covered. Cool. Just to document it, I guess. Where to document? Maybe it's the extraneous parentheses. Think I'm able to write code without LSP or in editor linters? There are linters. Like here, if I have trailing white space, hooray, it's gone. Or Or if I import something I'm not using, it got reordered and then was like, what is this? Imported but unused. You know, if I have imports malformatted, it'll reformat them for it. Diagnostics online? You mean like squiggles? Yeah, I don't need squiggles. Distracting. Speaking of distracting, what the fuck was I doing? I think I was done. Oh, I was documenting. Yeah. Constant folding. Instance slash is subclass slash accept. Is instance. Novus Nada, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, seems nice. That's on Mojo. It's vaporware. It does not exist. It may never exist. It promises things that are impossible. How long have you been programming? There's an FAQ that you can check out. Constant fold is instance is subclass accept. I kind of want to run this on my code and see if it does anything. Let's wait it. Try this. Invalid search got him? Oh, motherfuck. Damn. We did break that, didn't we? We did break that. Yeah. If there's no search, it should just... just print the playlist URL. If search terms, if not search terms don't strip, return playlist.url. Correct this recently. The message should be a little bit nicer than that though. Yeah. Explains FAQ. Show playlist URL with no search. Should be fixed now. Zero says, if you're forced to choose to program for 4 hours, neither Go or Rust, which would you choose? I would write Rust. I would choose between Python, Ruby, or Soul Silver. You mean to choose between playing Pokemon and writing Python or Ruby? If I have to write Ruby again, I'm gonna be extremely sad. Ruby is also Pokemon. It's true. It's true. I actually played a bit. Well, I played a bit of Sapphire yesterday. I'm trying to complete the Pokedex in Gen 5 so I can get the shiny charms so that I can make a piece of automation not take 120 days. I have less than 1,000 Python files in all of my repos. Seems small. Okay, fine. Oh god, what have I done? What? Have I forgotten? Is it capital B? I don't do the multiprocessing stuff very often. Oh, it is capital B. Lowercase p is prompt. I don't expect this to rewrite anything. I don't expect this to rewrite anything. Oh, this is from T, yeah. Yeah. That makes sense. Yeah, this is just intentionally old code. That makes sense. Have I tried GNU Perl? I have. Don't really like it, but it's fine. How long have you been using the dual keyboard setup? It's been a couple of years now on this computer. I don't really notice a difference because I don't really have ergonomic issues with keyboards. Yeah. So it's not really different for me. But I use this keyboard on stream because it looks cool and because Kinesis gave it to me for free. So. Tenseron, welcome to the stream. How honest you are, why would I lie? Toy molding? It's the bubble wrap ball that's broken. Hey Jake, is this? Do you work remote, hybrid, or go to the office? Yeah, let me go to the office down Harbor. No, I'm fully remote. Completely fully remote. It helps dogfish though, so that's good. What are your top 3 Pokemon games? Let's see. I think I have different ratings based on different things. Like if we're talking about shiny Pokemon, I think I had the most fun doing Poke Radar in 4th gen and Platinum made that better than Diamond and Pearl. Although I think I did more of it in Pearl. I think most fun shiny hunting game would be Platinum. Most fun game to play through, I think, would be Emerald. I had a lot of fun with the Battle Frontier, and third gen games are just kind of cracked. I had a lot of fun with. I've played more hours of Sapphire than any other game. I think the easiest to shiny hunt Pokemon game is Scarlet and Violet. By far, they made it way too fucking easy. Sandwiches are too OP. Hot take, I didn't really play much of 2nd gen or 5th gen, and I did not find their story that interesting. I know most people, well, a lot of the fandom just like loses their shit over how good the end story in 5th gen is, and I didn't find it. I found it quite boring. There's too many fucking caves in 5th gen as well. Too many named places. I think the game that I have had the least fun with is Brilliant Diamond, Shining Pearl, the BDSP remakes. Just because they changed literally nothing and they took away good features. I played a lot of Blue version. I like Blue version a lot. But it's way too slow to play now. The fact that you have to walk through the entire game is terrible. If I'm ever going to play Red and Blue again, I would play it with a mod that makes it so you could run. Yeah, that's probably my thoughts there. I feel like the games have gotten too easy since 5th gen. I did play through 5th gen, I just didn't play it a lot. I feel like the games have gotten way too easy since 5th gen. I feel like Pokemon games used to be a lot harder, and it wasn't just because I was a kid and stupid. I feel like they've legitimately gotten harder. I mean, I've also gone back and played. I went back and played through. I want to say it was Emerald, and that game's still hard. And it's not just like grindy hard. I mean, it is a little grindy hard, and yeah, they've eliminated most of the grinding in the modern games. But I don't know. Those are my thoughts. I think. Oh, yeah. I didn't play much of 2nd gen. I really do like that they put both regions in the game. And it would have been slightly better if you could fly between them without having to fly twice. That shit infuriates me. Oh no, your Pokemon gets tired at the Elite Four. It's a fucking Pokemon game. I've already suspended my reality. Just let me have one more little convenience. But it's way too late to fix that, so who cares? I also felt that like it was nice that they included both regions in Gold, Silver, Heart Gold, Soul Silver. But I felt like Kanto was pretty empty. It felt like you just got to Kanto and just like speed ran all the gyms, and there was like no content. Yeah. Favorite Pokemon game is Pokemon Stadium. I've never actually played Pokemon Stadium. I've also not played Colosseum, but I'm about to play through Pokemon Colosseum because there's a Pokemon that can only be caught in the wild in that game. There are 2 Pokemon that I don't have, which are Croconaw and Leaf. Can only be caught, so can't be caught in the wild in Gen 8, Evolve Totodile. In Gen 7, Evolve Totodile Trade. Gen 6, Transfer or Evolve. Gen 5, None or Trade or Transfer. Gen 4, Trade from Emerald Coliseum XD, Evolve or Catch. Yeah, so I'm going to be shiny hunting in Coliseum for this because that's The only place you can catch Totodile. Same thing for Bayleaf. But yeah, Kalos is the best region because it's French. Make note, Anthony's pro Pokemon labor abuse. I mean, they're imaginary pocket monsters. They can deal a little bit. 502. Resolves. 502. Cool. I'm sure it's gonna cause bugs, but whatever. It'll get fixed. Why you wouldn't run it on source control anyway? Someone me asking if I always wondered if it's possible to write something big like processing in a bank using Python. It feels like it's just IO setting XML and JSON. Yeah, people, there are very large banks that all of their software is Python. In fact, there's a big famous bank which all of their software is written in Python 2.6. Why 2.6? I don't know. But it fucking works, and as long as it doesn't connect to the internet, it's probably not that big of a deal. As long as you don't have to maintain it. Okay. I forgot to auth my passage manager, and yeah, we've been going for a couple hours, so it's probably fine to stop. So I'm gonna upload this to PyPI, and call it a day. So let's do my little spiel. We'll find channel to raid. We'll maybe look at the pip stuff on Monday. Yeah, my name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So check out those videos. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my stream on the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. It's a nice little programming Discord. There's a bunch of smart people who can answer your question in the beginners channel, and then a bunch of other fun social channels as well. Stop by there and hang out. But thank you all for stopping by today, and let's go find someone to raid.